Hi there, my name is James Heidema. Today I'd like to talk about being a tough manager. So what's being a tough manager all about? Well, a tough manager clearly articulates what they expect and then inspects what they expect on a regular basis. So often I find managers are not as clear as possible and they don't inspect on a regular basis. And then when the advisor, the team member, the financial salesperson gets in trouble, what do? They become tough. And by then it's too late. Because I worry about the habits that our team members establish very early on in their career. And so I'm going to be very clear with them about what do I expect. What do I expect from a new advisor? You'll go out and find people to meet with. You'll approach those people. You'll take them through the process. I know that if you do those activities, those core activities on a regular basis, you will make sales. I can teach you how to do each part of that process, and I will do that. But I'm going to be very clear that if you don't do those things, the rest of it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how well you know the products. It doesn't matter how well you know the company or the organization. It doesn't matter how much you understand about insurance, investment, savings, all of that. If you're not taking that knowledge, that skill to the marketplace, then you're not going to be successful. So I'm very clear about what I expect, and that's where the toughness occurs. It has to occur in the beginning, not down the road some point when things aren't working. You know, if you're clear with them about that you do expect these things to happen and that you're willing to work with them, walk with them, coach them, role play with them, go out and join appointments to show them how to do this, if you're very clear about that, and they will deliver or they won't. And if they deliver, then they'll be successful in this business. But don't be soft on them in the beginning. Don't worry about being their friend in the beginning. Be friendly, but you're not there to be their friend. You're there to be a manager. So that's what I mean by toughness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.